Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate new Etisalat SIM card online in Dubai. So whenever you have a physical SIM or an eSIM, you can now complete the entire registration and the activation process from your smartphone without visiting a store. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, when you search for Etisalat, you will find this application which is E and UAE. So you need to download and install this application first on your device. Afterwards, you just have to simply open the application. Now on the home screen itself, you are going to see the option of activate SIM. As you can see in the quick tasks, we have the third option of activate SIM. Now if you have a physical SIM, you just have to make sure that you insert it into your phone now. If you are activating an eSIM, you need to select the option of eSIM here in the application. So the application will prompt you to log in. So here for the fastest activation, simply choose login with the help of your UAE pass. So this will automatically pull your verified Emirates ID details, which is a mandatory requirement by the TDRA. So when you log in, the application is going to ask you to scan your Emirates ID. Even if you have used UAE pass, you may be asked to scan the physical card using your phone's camera to verify the security features. Just ensure that you are in a well-lit area to avoid any kind of errors. Afterwards, simply complete the facial recognitions, and this way you will be able to easily activate your SIM. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.